Hello guys, Job Knox here. Welcome to the channel. So today we're playing a demo called Motorslice. It is developed by the regular studio and then published by the Top Hat Studio Incorporated. The genre for this game is more like a parkour, atmospheric, anime-ish, and more like an action adventure game. So yeah, it is very, how to say, interesting game actually. You see in this menu, if you click here, yeah, it's very interactive. The environment is really interesting. If you click here, yeah, it shakes, and then if you poke her, she twitch. Okay, so let's start a demo, shall we? So let's go in. Okay, for the disclaimer, this video will spoil you a little bit, so just be prepared. See, looks really interesting, isn't it? Okay. You need to press something. Okay, press up. And then we were chatting with our op bot here. I'm not sure where's the bot goes. Okay, so we just keep moving. And this game do not have any, what we call it, mini maps. So to guide, since this is a tutorial phase, so we just follow with the tutorial first. We jump, and then we jump. There's no need for you to keep pressing the space actually. Just press once, you move, press another one, and then it move. So yeah, the controller sometimes is a bit hard to do, so you need to get used to it. If you right click and then you will lock the enemy, but mostly I just straight away attack them. Yeah, we are having a sword fight with this back hole. Okay, let's move on, and then we jump the first wall. Okay, we need to turn the flashlight. Okay, here. Okay, we're going up. Yeah, it's all the parkour. You need to find a way to navigate through the terrain. This is one that I like the most. You see, this is so satisfying. Honestly, it never gets old. And then you see, you see that the environment, it shows so many things. And then you see select off. This one will view the cutscenes for you. So if I press E, and then it will show you a little bit of stories.
Readings didn't detect a structure this big. You know, Warby, if I knew it, I wouldn't have accepted this contract.
And then this arrow, I'm not sure what you use, but you can move it up and down. And then if you click, you move into the next chapter.
So much for an easy job.
I want to choose the dialogue. Stop complaining, P. Yeah, her name is P. That's very short one. Okay. So we need to jump. There you see the orange mark. So that already show to you where can be interactable. Okay. Oh, then we have your sword fight with back hole, the tiny back hole. Yeah. Okay, we are done here. And then control dash if you want to root in combat. And I'm not sure where is it. It will tell you to use what we call it, the headset, the VR headset. If you click here, and then you will see all the location for the orbs that you need to collect. Okay, we come here. Okay, lost drones, it calls you. Can be collected in the nearest cargo triangulation zone. Yeah. If you die before that, it will not be collected. It can be used to sacrifice in combat. So yeah, turn on VR scan. You see, so if you carry many orbs, so it means they can be as your substitute life. I think so. I'm not sure, since I'm a bit completionist, so I would like to try to complete as much as I can. Okay, we move here. Okay, now we're able to grab another one. Yeah, it is a bit hard, I would say, to get used to the control and then to navigate the parkour and so on. So yeah, it will get frustrated at times, but maybe the death later we will see, and then maybe how to say, maybe people will give the feedback, and then the dev will listen, and then they will adjust accordingly later. But in some cases, yeah, sometimes it's based on luck, and then sometimes it just need to try, keep trying. Okay. Oh, 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 and then oop. Okay. Oh, no need. Okay, that one, before I try around like many trial, yeah, to the point that I just give up, close the game, and then do something else. Okay, over there we have another one. Jump this fence, and then I jump back. Okay, good. Okay, I think there is one more, isn't it? Where is it? Is it all around this area? Now you see the diamond symbol. That's the place where we rest and then do the cutscene. Yeah, I think that's all. Okay, you see this orange block bridge thingy? Oh, there's one more behind there. There is one more. Okay, so we have all, isn't it? Hold on. Oh, she's tired. Okay, we can do smooth landing. Press control, and then she's just do the cannonball. Ooh, like that. It's not high enough, so maybe we try another place. And there's another one, hard landing. If you want the the land that require a pause or a break, yeah, that's the best one. Okay. Jump. Oh, I'm sorry, I pressed jump late. Oh, I feel sorry for the girl. Okay, and then jump. Okay, and then we have sword fight with this back hold. Okay, there's one more over here. You see, she's all covered in the black oil. Oh, jump back. Okay, we need to drop this ball first. Okay, let's move. Okay, cannonball. Ooh. Oh, she's tired. Okay, yep. I think that's all for this area. I'm not sure if there are more, but there will be a time where you don't think you can complete all of the ball collecting thingy, because there will be a place that you feel very frustrated and hard for you to complete. Okay, so we need to climb this pole. Yeah, and then yep. Okay, jump to the back slightly over here. Okay, and then we are ready to go. I think there's one over there. Over there. Okay, now they are die. Man. So how many times I die? Okay. Oh, so that's a boss, the one that we will fight later. So we just follow this orange, and then we use our chainsaw to move around. Yeah, we can navigate it with WASD, but better not to do it if you can. It's hard for you to control it. Okay. Crack. So we can climb through crack. We can move up, then go to the right, and then move up again. And then you see there is a drone here. We go down, we press Ctrl to let go. Yeah, you know, it feels a little bit unsettling. Yeah, okay, we climb up, we go down, and then move forward. Hold on, I think we can use the torchlight here. Oh, I do not want to down to the abyss. Okay, we move forward and then jump. Okay, we climb up, and then yep, we move to the pole, and then we jump. Okay, nice, we grab it. Okay, we go. Pretty great, we're doing pretty great. Okay. Yep, we're doing great. Now we need to fight another enemy. Yeah, just hope I did not die again this time. Okay, see the cannonball? Yep. Yes. Oh no. Yeah, I will slice you with my Motorslice. Come on. Oh, come. Okay. Oh, that's another one. Oh. I will survive. Okay. Yeah. Jump. And then we do another jump. Yeah, and then we drop that. We try again. Okay. Jump. Yeah. I need to go slide it a bit farther and then jump. Okay. Never mind. We are on the side already. Yeah, I know I'm cheating, but yeah, it is what it is, right? We go. Yup. There's nothing over here. Oh, I need to use my VR. Okay, never mind. Jump. If you see, we cannot. There's few over there. We can grab, but we need to navigate this place first. You see, this scary height place. Okay. Going down. Okay, I think. Okay. Yep. That's a good one. Then we need to interact with this. Jump. Okay, we're doing great. And then oh, I forgot to press jump. Okay, again. Jump. Okay. And then we jump again. Up. Okay. Oh, we sliding. Grab this thing. You see this waffle thingy. You will be squished if you late. Okay. Yo. Yup. Okay. Now that's what we're talking. Yeah, I know. I am cheat, but yeah. Okay, I need to. Still not high enough. Okay, now what we're talking about. Okay, the lamp is still on. Oh, I need to jump on the right time. Okay, we are safe now. Okay, we need to interact. Yeah, I just need to slice this thing. Oh no. How to? Now it's stuck to the wall. Okay, no, we will see. Okay, slide a bit more. Oh, wrong direction. Okay, jump. Oh. Okay, jump. Yeah, she is very acrobatic. Okay, and then we move up with our chainsaw. Yes, we'll be moving to the next stage. Okay, you see the view. It feels like we are inside the large building, more like what we call it, Agopolis or something like that. So see, it is very pretty, isn't it? Beautiful, what we call it. Okay, hold on. Okay, I forgot. We need to catch the ball. Grab one ball and then we drop it here. Yeah, in some cases you think that it is safe for you to jump, but you will die like this. You know this place? I tried to jump before. I thought maybe I can go over there, but it is not. Okay, there is another one down there, but I cannot go just like that. Press jump, press another jump. You see there, and then you press jump. Okay. I think that's all for this area, isn't it? Yeah, you see there is a diamond over there. So there is another cutscene area. Jump. Jump. Okay. Grab this place. Yeah. Nothing. Oh. She's posing. We cannot go over there. There's a yellow, I mean orange, but it doesn't show anything. Okay, so we select off here first.
Central says we have an interference, but wasn't Beton Tech supposed to be motor-proof?
You know, the voice for this girl sounds very familiar.
I don't want to replace my headset. It's still working fine.
Yeah, it sounds so familiar.
You're made of Beton, Orby. What's your view?
They're just slacking just like you.
Looks like Operator G is just slacking, huh?
Okay. You know, the archiver voice, it sounds so close. We need to go. Oh, I saw the ball. Yeah, there's a ball. Okay, yep. Cannonball. We're going up again. Where is it? I need to go over there. Yeah, there's no nearby. It's okay. Just jump. Defense. This is for solar panel or something, isn't it? Okay. Jump again. We climb. Okay. Yeah, this place feels a little bit eerie, isn't it? It just me. I mean, it just this girl. The big building. And then just a few machines. There's nothing. Just have this sense of wonder you want to explore. What's behind all of this? Okay, jump again. Oh, this. We need to climb this thing. Okay. We chainsaw it. Okay. Oh, okay. I need to go through this thing. We safe? Yeah, we good. Oh, there's a ball over there. Okay. But where is the drop zone? Oh, over there. The drop zone is over there. I want to go through this. I'm not sure why. I feel like I need to go through this first. Oh, yep, yeah. We are fighting them. Then jump, wall. wall ledge, what we call it. Okay, open the flashlight. Yeah, do not try come near me. Oh, that's very dusty here. Okay, this is okay. Tap to. Okay, we are tapping it. So there is something over there. Yeah, we can wall jump. Go down. Let's go down. Okay, because there is a orb over there, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, yeah, it's way behind it. Okay, where are you? Oh, here, you little guy. Okay, we let go. Scary. Then we move up. Yeah, she's a good climber. Okay. That's a bit high actually. Okay. Now we're here. Jump. Yep. Okay, that's it. And then we can fight this thing. The back hole. Oh, she's covered in oil. I think that's all, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, what? Oh, no. That's the rest area. I forgot how to go down. There's a way to go down. Never mind. Oh, we can go up. We go up. Okay. Oh, okay. It is safe. And then yeah, wall jump. Oh, this is very foggy. So scary, especially when you are in a headset. Oh man. You see the sounds. Oh. This is it. Behind this. I think I need to grab, if I'm not mistaken. Oh. Yeah, I need to bring this thing forward. I need to bring this thing forward. I tried to jump before, but I just died. Okay. Oh, still. Oh. I need to go over here. Oh. Oh, never mind. I just need to drop that thing and then the drone will come over to me. Oh, drone deploy. And then I need to kill you. Yes. Okay. We're going down. Okay. That's very dark over here. But it's okay. We have flashlight. There's one more enemy. Two. Oh, yeah, we are having a sword fight. And then it's safe. Yeah, we have a door here. And then we jump, and we jump. Yeah, we're going up. I think I need to do like this, isn't it? Yeah. You know, the op sounds from this headset sounds like a purr, a cat purr. It sounds like purr, like that. Yeah. When everything is so quiet and then you hear that sound, it's a little bit eerie actually. Okay. Yeah. And then we jump. Then we do it again. Then we go down. Go down, go down, go down. Let go. Yeah, go up, and then let go. Okay, this time I do it with one try. Actually, last time, oh, I do it with many try, many screaming and frustration. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we're doing great. And then we need to jump over there. Oh, there's a bit. She's really have a strong arm. You see? I don't think so I can do like this. This is the Olympic gold medal strength. Okay. Yeah. This is the most notorious area for me. Okay. Faster, 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 faster. I got thrown out so many times here. Okay, here. Yup. You see? I do not want to grab the orb. Sorry guys. I just need to complete this first. Okay. I think I need to do like this. Do like this. Not like this. Okay. Like that also can. Yeah, so we are on the next stage. Okay, we select off again.
Hey, look. I found some weird holes.
You see? It's very atmospheric, isn't it? It's more like a screenshot kind of view.
Are they connected to something?
Are you done splunking?
Maybe the whole structure is connected?
Okay, we keep continue. I want to see is there any orb. Since already lost the orb. Oh, there is one over there. But how to go down there? I'm not sure. Want to try out? Oh, okay. Yeah, she's not dead. Okay. Oh, we have this crack. Yep. We have a drop zone here. Okay. Oh, she's tired. Oh, this is. Okay, let's wait for another time. Okay, we jump and jump. Oh, that's scary one. Okay. We jump again. Jump. Okay. See, it looks so gorgeous. Oh man. Salute to the death. Okay, we're going up again. Oh, we are in the boss area now. You see that big thing? I'm not sure what we call it in real life. I just call it big truck. The one that we saw before from from down. I mean the view that we will look up. Okay, there is. We go into the bellies. Under the bellies. Okay, come on. Okay. Oh. Okay. Going up a little bit, and then we're going up. We go into the stomach. Then it's a bit hard to move here, you see, because when this big truck move, it also cause you to lose your balance and then force you to lean into some direction. So yeah. And then the most creative way is to damage the boss. You need to do like this. You see the boss HP. Oh no. That's what you got when you do not pay any attention than just talking. What a big truck. This is not monster truck. This is super giga monster truck. Okay. Okay, we're going up. Again. And then again. Okay. Again. Then we jump. Okay, we navigate. I need to press left later. Okay, now we're talking. Okay. Yep, we're doing great. We are damaging the boss, but I need to go down there. Oh no. The boss is turned and then I'm forced to. Okay, just go down. Okay. Where is it? I need to walk over here, I think so. Yeah. Jump. Okay. No. Okay. We're doing great. Okay. Again. Oh, why I release it? Okay. We're doing great. Okay, we go up. And then we go up to the top. I need to move fast or I will die. Okay, so that's the boss head. We need to do our chainsaw to damage it. Okay, that's very low damage actually. We need to do like this. Okay, just go up. Oh no. Am I fall? Oh yeah, I fall. Never mind, we try again. Okay. We run, we run. I need to jump now. And then the head will be coming up again. Okay. Maybe I should just keep doing like this, right? Oh, the boss is turning. Okay. Yeah, the damage is not that high. Oh, how to do this? It just keep going up. I need to. I want to move to the left or right. Okay. Okay. The boss is turning, so I will be forced to. Okay. Oh, oh. Okay. I do not want to get into. Okay, we try again. Oh, the boss is die. Sorry, but guys. If I'm slightly bad or totally bad at this. So I think that's it. Yeah, we complete for the demo run. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Okay, guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy it, and then if you find the Motorslice interesting, I strongly recommend you to go and then play the demo right now.
Wishlist now.
Yeah, and then go to wishlist. Okay, that's it for now. Ciao. Continue. And then one more thing. If you press quit, you see she wave at you.